And Del Rosario.
May bulsa. Bawal.
Alright. Takin pala. Takin. Please, takin. For security. Yeah. First possession, RR Vegas. Isaiah. Let's go. Pass to Tuang for 3. Airball. Sit. Wala. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds. Elias. Back. To Tuang. Binalik kay Elias. Wala. Rebound. Going.
Saan nga siya dati nila? Sino? Callares. Eagles. Sa Mechanic Coopers. Ayun, oo nga pala.
Jeff for 3. In and out. Rebound Aquino. Asit. Kaya sa kanina. Elias. Jelong pitch ball out of bounds. Point, 14 to shoot. Point.
Ayan na.
Wala. Armas Jelong pitch ball. Boy. Screen by Malik. Boy. Pinasa kay Harold. 2 points for Del Rosario. Tuang for 3. Wala. Rebound. Miliares. Binalik kay Tuang. Pinasa kay Miliares. Miliares drives. 2 points. Prince. Pass to Goling. Binalik kay Renz. Renz. Pinasa kay Goling ulit. 2-1 game. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Boy, pinasa ba kay Harold? Wala. Rebound. Harold. 8 seconds. Del Rosario for 3. Wala. Armas. Bruno. Masuk Messi. Kasa kay Miliares. Arbo pa kay Miliares. Goling spin. Wala. Rebound Miliares. Pinasa kay Tuang. Nakita si Sid. Sid. Tulog. Armas Pingo. Tuang pass to Easy. Tuang for 3. Short left. 6 seconds to shoot. Harap ka, foul. Foul number 2. 12. First personal foul. First team foul. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Point, pinasa kay El Rosario. Pinasa kay Renz. Pinasa mo kay Jeff. Wala. Rebound. One. Ian, sa loob. Wala kang foul. Foul number 2. Renz. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ian. Yan kay Isaiah. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound Junior. Pinasa kay Ian. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ng Rosario. Pinasa kay Renz. Renz drives. Short. Rebound boy. 2 points. Easy. Drives. Against 4. Easy. Steal. Boy. Pass to Harold. Goalie. Pinagsak kay Del Rosario. Wala. Match ball. Sid. Pinasa kay Junior. Pinasa kay Ian. Pinasa kay Easy for 3. Bam! Official score, 9-4. 5-point lead by RR Villas. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Goalie sa loob. Basket good. May kasama bang foul? Foul number 8. First personal foul. First team foul. Auto shot for goalie. Substitution. Easy. Pasukan, Allen. Mark, pinasa kay Sid. Trapas to Villares. 2 points. Grabe yung ball movement. Parang location. Gonzales in para sa Geelong. Pinasa kay Renz. Pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound Sid. Pinasa kay Van. Van veteran. Against Renz. Pinasa Easy. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound Ramos. 10 seconds. Sid. Ano ba? Wait lang.
Puyod mo lang, puyod. Esteban.
Sa FIBA ron is mga ano nga. Galaw! Babae na ba?
Tinatakbo yun. Pagka-drive.
10 seconds. Point. Wala. Rebound Villares. Van. Tumatakbo. Van. Pinasa kay Mark. Wala. Rebound Villares. Wala. Rebound pa rin ni Van. 8 seconds to shoot. Van is foul.
Second.
Foul number 2. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 1 minute remaining time. Yes. Pass to Easy. Pinasa kay Van. 8 seconds. Easy. Hey. Offensive foul. Van Allen. First personal foul. For Van veteran. Boy, dinrap kay Goling. Wala. Goling pa rin. 2 points. Ayaw na may assist. Ganat. Shot clock is off. Easy. Pass to one. Corner 3. Wala. Rebound Gallanes. Wala pa rin. Rebound Gerald. Boy. Gracias kay Gerald. Boy ulit. Boy. Gerald for the Reds. And after the first one. For the long abroad. Gonzalez. Jeff. Still by Easy. Easy. 2 points. Gonzalez. Pass to Wellington. Nasa Jeff. Wellington. 8 seconds. Jeff, corner 3. Bang! 3 points for Jeff. Easy. Against Wellington. Easy sa loob. Nasa ay Dodger. Van. Easy for 3. Short. Rebound Gerald. Nasa ay Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Nasa ay Wellington. Wellington bumomba. Single. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds.
Ayun, oh, yes, oh.
Yes, dapat lang po.
Yo. Yes. Ponytail ka ba?
Diba?
Jeff, back to back. 3 points. Lamang na. Bilong pitch. Easy. Tumira. Wala. Rebound na Brot. Sinasa kay Wellington. Wellington against 5. Ball pass to Esteban. Wala. Daddy Joe against Wellington. Kinanan. 2 points.
Dami daw.
Jeff. 10 seconds. Jeff again. Bang! Back to back to back. Para kay Jeff.
Ito ba score ko? Oo, tama. 18.
Iya, tinasa kay Van. Tinasa Easy, babawi. Why not? Coconut. Or nanan.
Bars na.
Ay, bigay ito mga ito. Bigay na.
Stop, harap!
Dito siya.
Ibaba niya pa. Hindi, isama niyo doon sa ibag niya. Oo, sa loob. Makakakaya pa eh, gumagano pa eh.
Abroad. LeBron James shot. Wala. Rebound. Same ball.
Kalo, barkado dito.
Kelvin.
3 seconds.
Harold. Tinasa kay Jeff. 2 points. Ian. Tinasa kay Easy. Babawi. Wala. Rebound. Harold. Nasa kay Abroad. Tinasa naman kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez sa loob. 2 points. Unti lang lumalayo ang Gilong. Kanina dalawa lang. Ngayon sa apat na. Iyan naman. Titira ng 3. Wala.
Time out? Time out?
Still by 1. 3 on 1. Ian against Wellington. Kinaliwa, 2 points.
Ano yun? Tuwang?
Assist by Van Veteran.
Bata, 16 lang din. Tanda na.
Still by Cadijo. Pinasa kay Van. Pinasa ulit kay Ian. Kaso. Ano ba?
Time out.
Same ball.
Ay, same ball pala. No time out.
Substitution rep. Substitution. Sub. Friends in. And sit. Wellington out. 17 seconds shot clock. 17 seconds. One, two, out of bounds. Your long range ball. Official score 22-20. 2-point lead by your long range. Gonzales pinasa kay Brot. Tumira ng tres. God bless!
Clay Thompson ng Melbourne.
Clay Thompson ng Melbourne. Grabe. Easy. Pinasa kay Ian. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound Sid. Sid spins. Fires. Wala. Rebound Gerald. Pinasa kay Renz. Renz. Is foul. Foul number 25. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution rep.
Sub.
Pasok. 2 shots for Reds. Soliman. Pasok.
Roll! Amen. Pagkatapos niyan. Pag na-shoot yung pangalawa, pre. Si Jeff lang. Hindi ako laro. Meron ako Rayuma. Roll! Hindi ka was ko, Jeff.
First shot is good for Reds. Rebound by Jeff. Gerald. Pinasa kay Jeff. Pinasa kay Renz. Pinalik kay Abroad. 6 seconds. Jerd. Wala. Rebound Villarez. Oh, Soliman. Fresh 14. For Magilo. Ooh. Foul number 5. Substitution rep.
Jeff!
First personal foul, second team foul. Jeff out, Jeff in.
Oo nga, no?
Ang galing. Sumaya. Ay. Mabait na sa magulang.
Still by Villarez pinasa kay Van. Against Soliman, wala. Abroad. Fake. Natapek. Arabang, same ball. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Abroad, pinasa kay Aaron, wala. Rebound by Van, tumatakbo, rumaragasa. Pinasa sa labas kay Ian, tumira ng tres. Bang!
Nagtatlong laro lang. Saan?
Ay, suha.
Ian, pinasa kay Mark. Ramos! 2 points.
Gago.
Del Rosario. Soliman. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound Villarez.
Sab ka mo, pre?
Ian. Pinasa kay Ramos. Siya naman. Wala. Rebound Colin. Pinasa kay Gerald.
Gerald Anderson.
Gerald. 2 points. Pinasa kay Gerald.
Si ano yan eh. Si Derek yan.
Derek lang.
Ian. Nasa kay Van. Nasa kay Sid. Wala. Paliman. Oh, steal by Van. Yares wala. Van. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds difference between game clock and shot clock. 4 seconds. Steal. 3 seconds. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number 6. Point. First personal. Si ano po, yung may long hair. May long hair. Okay, okay. Goods na, goods na. Iya. Tumira 3. Wala. Hindi ba agad? Tumira din. Kulak. 2 points. Abroad. Nasa kay Hector. Binalik kay abroad. Corner 3. Wala. Hindi ba Kelvin? Ian, binalik kay Van. Pinasa kay Easy. 4-3. Wala. Foul. Foul number 12. Jeff. Second personal foul. First team foul. Van is fouled. First personal foul. For number 15, Esteban. 2 shots for number 13. Case na Iban. Easy for 3. Wala. Iban Villar. Sinasay. Zero. Pero masumabay. Wala.
Dami sa amin.
Iban Villares. Ian. Pinasa kay Easy. Easy against Kelvin. Space. Tumira. Hindi na ring. Rebound. Wow. Pinasa kay Easy. Easy drives. Wala. Rebound Esteban. Wellington. Pinasa kay Jeff. Pinasa kay abroad. Bumaba. 2 points. Bye. 1. Easy. Corner 3. Wala. Rebound. 2. Villares. 2 points. Esteban. Pinasa kay Wellington. 2 points. Van. Pass to Easy. Pinasa kay Van. Van drives. Huli ka. Rebound Tuwang. 8 seconds. Tuwang for 3. Short. Rebound Gonzalez. Gonzalez is foul. Foul number 5, Tuwang. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Kelvin Gonzalez. First shot is good. Rebound sa pangalawa. Rebound Van. Van. Pinasa kay Sid. 2 points.
Let's go, teammate!
Gonzalez. Sa loob. 2 points. Easy. Is foul. Foul number 14, Gonzalez. Sabi ko sa rep.
Ilan na yun? Sino ka? Gonzales.
First personal foul, second team foul. Easy for 3. Wala. Rebound, Junior. Millares, wala. Rebound, goalie. Gonzalez, pinasa kay Aburot. Pinasa pa kay Jeff. Goalie. Hindi hihigop, pero dyan si Aburot. 2 points. Van. Pinasa kay Easy. Pinali kay Van. Van. Pinasa kay Easy. So, raveling violation. Sabi ko siya rep.
Ay, maraming gadgets yun. Lagi mong away sa kaway araw-araw na.
Abroad. Pinasa kay goalie. Pinasa kay Reds. Wala. Rebound ni Van. Pinasa kay Junior. Junior pass to Easy. Binalik kay Junior. Wala. Rebound. Goaling. Pinasa kay Abroad. Masyadong malakas. Ano ba? Sabi doon siya rep. Daddy Joe in. Millares out. Easy. Pinasa kay Junior. Pinasa kay Daddy Joe. Good pass. Two points for Daddy Joe. Fish from Junior. Friends, pinasa kay Bowling. Pull-up jumper. Is good. Mark, pass to Van. Van, speeds. Pass to Junior. Rivera. Malakas. Rebound. Poy. Edge, alley-oop to Bowling. Binagsak kay Poy. Wala. Poy. 2 points. Kanan. Traveling violation.
Wala. Under 3 minutes. Under 3 minutes.
Kevin has to jump around. All alone. 2 points. Sakto lang lamang.
Second.
Offensive foul by Allen. Second personal foul.
Hindi, pero sa cost ka ako eh.
Sab ka.
Sabi doon sa rep. Jerk. Corner 3. Bang. Junior for three. Short. Rebound Koy. Soliman. Wala. Rebound abroad. Basket. Hindi to shoot.
Third.
Foul number 13. Back. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Gerald Abroad. First shot is good. Unti-unti nang lumalayo ang Gilong PH Ballers. Both shots are good for Gerald. Easy.
Mark!
Hindi na shoot. Sa end of the third quarter, official score. Rosario. At the point, pinagkakaya Brock. 2 balls. Ian.
Bailo.
Easy. Hindi nangyayari. Easy ulit. 2 points. Number 15 is Esteban.
7.
Second personal foul, first team foul.
Sinising ka?
14 seconds to shoot. Easy, wala. Rebound. Oh, easy. Offensive foul. Number 29. Second personal foul for Steve. Lozar, master point. Rosario, steal. Counter steal by Estela. Fourteen to shoot. Friends, wala. Rebound. Silense. Easy for 3. Airborne.
Shot lock yan. Wala pa.
Steal by Junior. Junior. 2 points.
Nice one.
Derek Jabrot. Pull up. Jumper. Wala. Rebound. Junior. Pass to Ian. Ian. Pass to Sid. Ano ba? Same ball. Sabi to siya rep. Baka Reza E is 7 out. Ian. Tumira Andres. Short. Rebound Sid. Traveling violation. Abroad. Pinasa kay Jeff. Wala. Rebound Junior. Easy. Pass to Aquino. Aquino. Wala. Rebound abroad.
Trade.
Sabi ko sa rep. Foul number 29. Aquino. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Pwede ba?
Pasok, pasok.
Naiyak sir.
Third. Pass to get. 2 points.
Tayo.
Huwag selfie.
Aquino. Wala. Rebound George. Nakita si Wellington nag-isa. Pinasa pa kayo si Suleiman. Basket good. Kasama pa ng foul. Technical foul number 2 Reds.
Panyari. Panyari.
Time out.
Replay. Bay, ba't kulang-kulang kayo? Lagi naman ganito eh.
First bonus shot is good.
Professional cameraman. Higa.
Back to the ball game. Bonus shot for Red Suleiman.
Kako sir pala yung pipicture. End of this. Ito trip lang yan eh.
Easy. Ian, binili kay Easy. Pinasa kay Ian. Sumira ang tres. Bang!
Okay.
Jeff, 2 points. But still completed by Jalong here. Chris, Astagera. Wellington for 3. Wala. Rebound 5. Wow. Kinasa kay Easy.
Nagkawa ng candy.
Chris. Nasa nilog dyan. Wellington, wala. Broad, quick, 2 points.
Pasa pala.
Wala, hirap. Pag gumagalaw, wala.
Easy. Steal. Broad pass to Reds. Broken up the love. Steal by Mark. Nasa kay Van. Van. 2 points.
Press. Pag sumabay ka, matasama.
Wellington, for 3. Wala. Rebound Van. Van, 2 points. Forward.
Mark.
First personal foul for Mark Ramos. Asik dua. Reds, 5. Wala. Rebound, Jeff.
Uy!
2 points.
Half time. Oh.
1, 2 points.
Ibon ngayon lang din na Late na nag-iinit.
Point. Yeah, target. Very good. Still by Mark. Easy. Tumira, pinasa pa lang Ivan. 2 points. 11 point lead na lang ang lamang.
Press, press, press.
Still. 1-2.
Kalayo na. Isa atin.
Waycon, pinasa pa kay Jet. Wala. Draw. Pinasa ulit kay Jet. Corner shot is in and out. Shot clock is off.
Bang, bang.
1. Around.
Bakit talaga ito sa'yo? Saan pangit?
And the ball game official score 60.